Hi everyone, I'm Jerry. Was just sent this really nice raised garden bed. This is actually going to be an 8-foot by 3-foot wide by 1.5-foot deep raised garden bed, and everything that they have comes really nicely packaged. Everything is put together well. They even provide you with all of the instructions, including a nice set of gloves and all the hardware that's necessary to get this thing put together, including a screwdriver, which is nice. Liking the fact that this one does come with the wing nut, so you actually can hold on to that with your other hand or twist those on. Some of them you have to have a wrench to do that. This actually with the wing nuts will be nice. That'll make this go together a little bit easier. And I'm also liking the fact that these are really nice, galvanized, 8mm thick, really sturdy, but they're also painted. I have done some of these before that were not painted. These that are painted should add a nice coating. Everything on here is nicely painted, nicely coated. All the edges seem really smooth, and that should make this like a nice 20+ year lifespan on a raised garden bed. That extra paint coating will really help increase the longevity. So you do have your curved pieces here and your flat pieces. I'm going to get these unboxed and set out and kind of show you quickly how this goes together. So putting this together, this particular kit, you're going to use 3 of the curved pieces on each end, and then 3 of these flat pieces to kind of extend it out to the full 8 feet. These are all nicely powder coated as well as far as the screws and the wing nuts. You're going to simply insert them through as thus, and then putting the wing nut on the back side. You can either twist it using the wing nut piece, or you can use your screwdriver and inserting it in the back side of this and use this to twist this in. Now if you have a automatic screwdriver, a power screwdriver, and are wanting to use that, because if you have access to one, you obviously can use that as well. That'll help speed up the process there. So we'll go ahead and get all those put together, and then I'll show you the finished product. It's going together really well. When you get towards the middle pieces, they actually do provide you with these cross-member bars, which you'll send you with some of these double-threaded pieces, and they're just going to simply screw into this and screw into this other side here. This works out really well. So these are going to screw completely down, and then once these are down, you're going to attach these on to those panels, and you can put them higher, you can put them lower. They recommend usually putting them towards the middle, one of these 2 middle pieces here, but you're going to layer this on like you would any of the other screws that we've been doing, and then you're just going to simply insert a screw through the middle piece here like this, and then insert this rod through that as well. And that's just going to help stabilize the entire middle of this, keep it from bowing out or anything. When you get heavy loads worth of soil and stuff, kind of like I've done this one here, it just keeps that whole thing kind of pulled together. So I'm going to get this one put on here, and we'll finish this thing up. So here it is all put together. This went together really well. These stabilizer pieces are great for keeping this thing from shifting. Once this is filled up, this is going to fill out really nicely and work out great in our garden. It's full 8 feet by 3 feet by 1.5 feet. Everything that was spec'd out exactly as it should be, and should work great for many years to come.